Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight into settings so you can inspect app records. This saves time. Open settings and locate apps or apps and notifications immediately so you can view the system list. Once there, choose See All Apps to expand the full catalog. This shows packages, system apps, and remnants. Make sure to switch the view to show system processes if needed, because some uninstalled app traces remain as system records. This first step exposes where Android keeps uninstall logs and packages. Once done, focus on revealing hidden and system entries so you can spot uninstalled app traces. Enable Show System or switch the filter to All Apps. This brings back packages Android still lists. Inspect each suspicious entry for status, storage usage, and last used date to confirm it's an uninstalled residual. Then open Play Store, tap your profile, go to My Apps and Games and Library. This shows apps you removed but still associated with your account. This combination finds both system remnants and Play Store history. To finish, decide whether to clear remnants or restore the app. You can clear app data and cache or uninstall updates from the app info to remove leftover files. This cleans system traces. If you want the app back, reinstall from Play Store and sign in to restore settings. If an expected uninstalled app doesn't appear, reboot the device and recheck apps and storage. Sometimes the system cache hides records. If problems persist, toggle Show System again and revisit Play Store Library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.